another thing that someone else said was that some of these shops, they want you to sell their products, and then they want you to put those boxes in your background so that when... Hello and welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Tayo. Thank you so much for coming by, and I hope you stick around. And also to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video today. So today's video, I'm sure you'll be wondering what these boxes are all about, why I'm showing off my boxes and all that, you know, Chanel, LV, you know, I was about to say Hermes because that's what this video is about. Hermes, I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's Hermes, yeah, I can be asked, you know. So anyway, yeah, no, that's not what this is about. It's actually to talk about boxes and the stories I've heard. So there's this video on YouTube by a lady called Haya Glamazon, and I'm going to link it in the description box. I found that video quite interesting and very funny, you know, and the comment section was just hilarious, you know. Yeah, so people have been asking Hermes, people were asking to buy their boxes, you know. So they have this box, I think it's actually close to the color of my nails, yeah, orange box. It's more orange than my LV, and you can see I don't even take care of these boxes. Anyway, we'll get to that later. I got oil on that one. Yeah, so people were asking Hermes if they have boxes, if they sell their boxes. So Hermes had to come out and say, sorry, we don't sell our boxes. I mean, so I honestly don't understand the point of that, buying an empty box. I have all these boxes because over the years I've bought a few things. Most of these boxes are, I think, pre-loved. Apart from these two, and one of these is a scarf, and the other one is my little LV mini pochette. Yeah, I do have a few things I bought, not that many anyway, but yeah, and some of them are pre-loved. In fact, most of them are pre-loved, you know, so I'm not really someone who goes about buying luxury and all that, but once in a while if I see something I like and it's on the pre-loved market and it's very good condition and I can afford it and I have something to sell in exchange, that's what I usually do. I will, yeah, so that's what happened with this one anyway. Not that I owe you any explanation, but yeah, I just wanted to put that out there. Anyway, yeah, so I was just wondering what people do with boxes. In fact, the reason why I have these boxes is because I just really wanted to keep my things, you know, in a very good condition. See, for instance, this shoe. So this shoe is a shoe I have from Bali, and I wore it to a wedding, and I don't know what happened. This is this calf skin. I think I've had this shoe now for about, I think I bought this shoe in 2014, so that's about 7 years, and I've worn it a few times, and I don't know what happened because I didn't leave the box. I just threw the box away as soon as I got it. I didn't really think much about boxes, and even the bags I bought, I've sold a couple of bags. I think an LV bag and a Gucci bag. I didn't even keep the boxes, and even the Gucci bag didn't come with a box, and I didn't bought that because she said, oh sorry, we don't have any boxes. I said, okay, that's fine, just put it in a bag. I'm just so surprised to hear that people are selling boxes on the internet, you know, on eBay. People are buying empty boxes. People are asking for empty boxes. Honestly, if you live close to me, I would have given you, but I'm certainly not posting these boxes because, I mean, I'll go to the post office and give them a box, and they ask me what's the value of, I'll wrap up the box. Wrap up the box with what's it called? I'll wrap the box up anyway, you know what I mean, sellotape it, and then get to the post office and they ask me what's the value of what's in your box, and I say it's just an empty box. I mean, they're going to think I'm bonkers, and also even my family will start wondering if I start buying or selling boxes. I honestly don't see the point, you know. But what do we even do? The reason why I'm doing this video is because I actually was thinking about it when I started getting quite a lot of ribbons, you know, and I was thinking these ribbons are really well sort of after. But I don't know what people do with them. Do they wear them as, let me see, can I go out looking like this? What do people actually do with these things, you know? Because to me, I like them, but I really don't know what else to do with them except to just look at them. And maybe there's another use that I don't know about, or maybe you can wear it on my, I don't really know. I think it looks, to me it looks a bit cheesy to start putting that on my head or on my blouse, you know, so I don't really know. But yeah, it's just so interesting to know that people are actually selling boxes. But if you're selling boxes, you have to be careful, because one thing people said in that video comment section is that some people actually buy these boxes so that they can put replica or fake bags in these boxes, so that and deceive people into thinking they are buying real product. And you know, I have been one of the people that has fallen prey to one of the eBay sellers who sold me a bag, and I thought it was a real bag, but it wasn't a real bag. Unfortunately, it wasn't really expensive. I have that video. I'll also put that in my description box, you know. So, but yeah, it's just so interesting. What do people actually do with these boxes, you know? So funny, you know, because I'm not someone who really hoards things, but I just find out, because I just find out that, oh, people keep these boxes, so I just keep them. So I actually keep, there are things inside the boxes, that's why I have them. And as I said to you earlier, I didn't keep the box for my shoe, you know, and calf skin. I didn't think it was anything special that I should really baby, but I didn't really throw it around, and I don't really know how that came about, because I actually put it inside the bag, you know. But maybe something happened, or maybe I don't really know what happened, but I just found out that I had that tear on it, you know. And so yeah, it's good to keep things in the boxes, but I don't really know why people would want to buy empty boxes and then pretend that there's something in it. Another thing that someone else said was that some of these shops, they want you to sell their products, and then they want you to put those boxes in your background, so that when people come to you and see all those boxes, they will say, oh, she has so number of LV bags, so number of Chanel bags, so the bag she's telling us to buy must be good. I don't know. I don't know if that actually happens, but if it does, well, that's just another level. But yeah, so like, we will never be deceived into buying something like that. In fact, I only buy pre-loved because number one is more affordable, number two is a better quality. I think I'll show you my bag, because quite a few people have been asking me. I just did a short video showing the bag, because I don't really like to show off, you know. I don't really like, it's not show off anyway, it's not showing off, but I don't really like to show things, you know. Some of these bags, I actually buy them and sell them, and before I buy another one, I've sold others, you know. But this particular bag is from 1993, and it's a Chanel bag, classic flap with a double flap, 1993. The bag is in really good condition, and I've got it stuffed with paper. I'll just show you. Yeah, I just did a little video showing it, and then I got quite a few comments on my Instagram asking me to do a more detailed video. So that's it really. Yeah, that's it. Not too much to say about it. It's 24 karat gold plated. You know, you can see that it's obviously being used. That part goes in a bit. The bag's from 1993, and no, 1994. It's actually 1994. The Chanel is written on this place here, and then you have the other one on the other side where it says sorry, I don't even know how to show you this. Made in France is on the other side. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so it's different anyway. And this bag was authenticated. I had to authenticate it, and yeah, if you look at the back, you see slight signs of maybe color transfer, you know. But yeah, so those are the kind of things I buy. This one isn't for sale because I really like pink and gold. If you know me, if you've been following me on my channel, you know that I love pink a lot, and so I just wanted a 24 karat gold plated pink bag. So those are the ones I buy. And I heard Chanel don't even like people buying their bags pre-loved, but I don't know how they're going to stop that, because that's what I prefer. I prefer to buy something that has character, and something that has been tried and tested, not the new ones that I think are just fast fashion now, because they seem to be coming out with bags all the time, and some of them are not of the same quality. I mean, if this bag is 1994, that would be 27 years old. I mean, and it looks like this. So yeah, they used to be handmade, but now I think they are made machine made now. So yeah, anyway, that's by the way. Yeah, so anyway, yeah, so please let me know what you do with your boxes, because I just don't know. I just stored these ones in my wardrobe one on top of the other, you know. I might just have one or two on my table, maybe because I used it and I didn't put it away and I just started putting in my video. But yeah, so I'm quite intrigued to know that boxes are really this expensive, you know. And very soon we'll get on to the wrapping paper, you know. Maybe the wrap dress they have any. Let me see. No, I don't have any wrapping. Maybe that would be something else that people will be selling, you know. And yeah, just a fun video, guys. I find it really amazing. And yeah, thank you so much, guys. Make sure you check out the video I talked about in the description box, and I hope to see you in another video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye. Have a nice weekend.